What we have done here is to have the upper and lower shell, to align them together, and then on the lateral way, on the lateral area, we have welded from the start to the end the entire fuselage. So it's an incredible achievement because of the thickness involved and the type of material involved here is very challenging. Also positioning the two parts together and to ensure the contact between them, we have successfully achieved this with ultrasonic technology. The way it works is applying pressure and applying high frequency vibrations. The part that is on top is vibrated at high frequency and generate heat at the interface between the parts. Release.
And release.
Ultrasonic sonotrode apply very high pressure, and then we have a cooling unit and a consolidation unit that together act to improve the consolidation during the process. The ultrasonic sonotrode vibrate to generate heat at the interface, and then the cooling unit lower the temperature of the shell before the system continue welding. So using the blocks system that are inside the fuselage, we apply a counter pressure from the inside, and then the ultrasonic system apply pressure from the outside to consolidate the part. The fuselage has 3 welding lines, so we have welded in 3 different parts along the 8 meters. We have developed also with the whole team a monitoring system that allows us to live monitor all the process parameter, all the temperature that are generated during the process, etc. And this allows us to control the process all the way from the beginning to the end. So the reason of the success of all the project is for the incredible collaborative work with all the partners and all the team. So starting from the manufacturing of all the components, the design of all the components, the programming, the monitoring systems, the moving systems, all of this has been a successful work. We achieve a high quality bonding between the parts, allowing to have such large components welded with such a fast technology, allow not only to improve production rates, but also to improve the quality and lowering the defectivity of the components that we are going to produce in the future.